Mayroon 2,000. At sa ulo, 18,000. So, foreign trade, nakipagkalakalan tayo sa Arab. Our ancestors have traded with Arab. They traded their brassware, metalware, rugs, and ceramics for native products. They brought with them the religion of Islam, the Arabic alphabet, and the numeric system of their calendar. Okay, the Chinese, they brought jars, jade, umbrella, mirrors, bones, porcelain, and textiles. They brought their traditions, Chinese dishes, favorite Lumpia, many Filipino words, and Chinese Beijing. Bihon, soya, miswa, sila o achi, Filipino business umbrella. Filipino land biggest umbrella, porcelain and Salamat. Next week na kaya. Okay, salamat. Okay. Saan na po? Next week. Ano na po? Kuya, yung ganito mo na iwan mo pa? 1 and 4? Tapos po yun, tapos kami sa